All right, yesterday I uploaded this video. Check it out.
Put on it, then it's going to go take this foot off. It's
What happened?
it was a deer. We almost hit it.
All right, so that was last night. Now tonight, 23 hours and 14 minutes later, I happen to be going down that same road and right past that same speed limit sign. Right here, you see that speed limit sign? Deer comes out. Check out what happened just a little bit ago.
Oh, whoa! Holy freaking! That was a freaking same spot as last night.
Another one.
Holy crap! Holy crap! That was like, I swear that was going to be the same spot. We got to pull up that other video.
At least I saw that one this time.
Holy crap!